Mike here at the Limo Garage. It's been a while since I've put up a video because, well, hasn't been much going on at the Limo Garage. Came here today to start a vehicle that's been sitting for quite some time, and I had a no-start issue. This is a very common problem you're going to see on a vehicle that sits for a long time. First thing you're going to think, Mike, it was a dead battery. No, it wasn't. Battery was fine, starter was fine. Engine would crank over and it wouldn't start, okay? Remember the basics. Always go back to the basics when you get a vehicle that won't start. What does it need to run? It needs spark and it needs fuel, okay? So the first thing that I did, we're going to grab some fuel. Grab a spray can, a throttle body cleaner, carb cleaner, whatever. This is going to give you an idea what your problem is to start with. The problem with this vehicle was the same thing that we used to have back in the day. I'm not old enough to say this, but if you remember back in the 60s, a little thing called vapor lock was a huge problem. That's what this vehicle had, vapor lock. And what that means, you've got a fuel tank that has minimal amount of fuel in it, but it's got a ton of, not fuel in there, fumes. Well, the fumes make their way back up into the engine and it causes vapor lock, okay? This engine would turn over, but it wouldn't fire because it was basically flooded. So I took a little bit of this, this is just throttle body carb cleaner, and right here where your throttle body is on your air intake, just find a vacuum line that you can take off. You don't need to be a technician to do this. I just popped off this little vacuum line right here, and I shot some of this cleaner in here, and then I went to start it, and it fired right up, and it's been running perfect ever since. So that's just a quick tip for you guys. You don't want to start these vehicles that have been sitting for a little while. Before you go calling a tow truck and calling the dealer and freaking out, try this first. Stick to the basics. If you guys aren't sure about this, how to do it, don't do it to a diesel. No diesel. None of this shit. I'll be getting phone calls, blowing up engines. But anyways, if you guys got any questions on this stuff, what the heck I'm talking about, put a comment below or send me a message. I'm happy to help. So, quick tip for the day. Thanks for watching the Limo Garage. Catch you guys next time.